Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gary Yao, and today we got an exciting topic to share with you, especially if you're interested in making some serious cash in the real estate game. We're diving into the world of real estate wholesaling, a strategy that has helped many investors kickstart their journey to financial freedom. Before we get started, if you're new to here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications and not miss out on our valuable content. So let's jump right into it. What is real estate, or what is real estate wholesaling? So what's exactly real estate wholesaling? Well, it is a unique and lucrative strategy that acts as the middleman between a motivated seller and a cash buyer, and you're the middleman. The only caveat is that you don't have a license, and you don't need to. Essentially, you find the distressed property, negotiate a killer deal for the seller, and then assign the sell contract to the investor for a profit. It is like real estate matchmaking. Let's break it down the process step by step. Finding deals. The first step in real estate wholesaling is finding deals, specifically great deals. This involves scouting for distressed properties that have the potential for a profitable flip. You can use various methods like driving for dollars, scouring online listings, or networking with other real estate professionals. The key is to identify properties with motivated sellers who are eager to sell quickly. For example, if you're driving for dollars, you can see properties that doesn't seem to quite match the overall neighborhood, and you might consider introduce yourself, strike a conversation, tell the owner that you might be interested in buying the property. And if they're not, then they don't need to sell. But let's offer them a help. Do they need recommendations on professionals that help them upkeep the property or curb appeal? Of course, use your common sense and see where that conversation leads you. Worst case scenario, you have a contact that you can call once in a while and see if they know anybody that might be looking to sell. Once you have found the potential deal, it is time to crunch the numbers. Analyzing deals is crucial to ensure that you're getting properties at the price that leaves room for profit. The formula to remember is ARV, which stands for after repair value. That's when the investors can sell it. What is the repair value, and what is the purchase price that includes your assigning fee? This is where your negotiation skills come to play. Aim for a win-win situation between that benefits you and the seller. Build your network. Real estate is all about relationship, and wholesaling is no different. Building a strong network of investors, real estate agents, and other professionals is essential. Attend local real estate meetups, join online forums, and connect with potential buyers. The bigger your network, the easier it is to find buyers for your deal. Next, we have marketing your deal. Now that you have got a killer deal under contract, it is time to market it to potential buyers. Use multiple channels to create a compelling listing with high quality photos. Leverage social media and even consider building a website that showcases your deals. Create an email campaign that for your deals, for your potential buyers and contacts that you have nurtured over time. The goal is to create a buzz and attract that cash buyer who is ready to take over your contract. Next, the closing deal. Once you have found a buyer, it is time to close the deal. This involves assigning the contract to the buyer for your agreed upon assignment fee. The closing process is usually handled by a title company, and you'll walk away with a nice payday for your efforts. It's a quick and straightforward process if it's executed correctly. Now let's talk about the common pitfalls to avoid. While real estate wholesaling can be incredibly rewarding, it is not without its challenges. Some common pitfalls include underestimating the repair costs, not building a strong buyer's list, or neglecting due diligence. Stay informed, continuously educate yourself, and learn how to deal with each of these situations that you come across. That's the key for long-term success in wholesaling. Again, use common sense. Well, there you have it, the ultimate guide to real estate wholesaling. If you're looking for a low-risk entry point into real estate investing or a way to generate quick cash, wholesaling might be the perfect strategy for you. Remember, success in this business requires persistence, education, and building strong relationships. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, my name is Gary Yao, and I will be talking to you soon.